Welcome back to Peek Before You Sleep. Here we are at a little studio at the Vertus edit in Canary Wharf. A quick look at the sleeping space and the TV before the view. Because we're in Canary Wharf, this is an amazing skyline to look out over. We were on the 8th floor, slightly grey day, but still a really nice place to be for a couple of nights. We'll move over into the bathroom quickly, and it is very compact. But the name says it's a little studio. It's not a huge amount of space, but it did have everything that you would want. The products were decent, and actually more storage space than you might expect. That mirror that you can see with me is actually also a cupboard, so there are more spots to put some of your things if you want to keep them out of sight. Out into the kitchen is also quite well equipped for something that they've managed to sneak into a space that's not really any bigger than a normal hotel room. Well stocked for 2 people. All your cutlery and pots and pans are hidden away in these drawers, so felt very new, very clean. Was very happy preparing and eating in this kitchen. It's also where you'll find the safe, which was pretty standard size. The oven, as I say, it felt like it was really new. This hasn't been open for too long, so that was quite nice really. And then the fridge freezer, tiny freezer, just underneath in one of the cupboards, as well as the bin, and you get some products, so sponge, washing up liquid, all taken care of for you, as well as some tea and coffee, including some herbal teas as well, like mint tea, and then your plates and bowls and cups. The storage, it's a double wardrobe with sliding doors to maximise on the space. You've got some hangers in there and a couple of drawers down towards the bottom. We only stayed here for 2 nights, so it felt like plenty of room to put our stuff. Perhaps for a slightly longer stay you would feel a little bit more compact. You've got a hairdryer with a funnel, as I always comment on, and an iron as well should you need it. A really nice spot. We'd recommend if you've got a need to stay in the area. And that was Peek Before You Sleep at the Vertus edit in Canary Wharf. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more.